Hi everyone, Judy here. Welcome to my channel. I'm here to teach you basic conversational Bisaya Cebuano. So for this lesson, we are going to talk about basic conversation at the seaport. So Philippines is a lot of islands, so you'll really be bound to travel from one island to another island, and these conversations, these basic sentences or phrases are very useful when talking to the local staff, the security guards, and the people at the seaport. Okay, now before we break down the words word for word, let's listen first to the conversation. Basic conversation at the seaport. Maayong buntag, asa mo palit og ticket, sir?
Asa man padung?
Padong Camotes Island.
Adto didto.
Or
Dire. Dirira.
or
Dinha.
Ma'am, maayong buntag. Padong Camotes Island, tagpila ang ticket.
Maayong buntag sab, tag 500. Pila ka buok, ma'am?
Isa ra.
Okay, di ara sir. Di ara ma'am.
Salamat. Unsa orasa mo larga ang barko?
Alas 6.
Asa ko sunod ani ma'am?
Bayad og terminal fee sa atbang.
Pila ka oras ang biyahe padong Camotes Island?
Usa og tunga.
Kapila mo biyahe ang ocean jet padong Camotes Island?
Sa isa ka adlaw, katulo.
Canceled trips. Walay biyahe karon, sir?
Walay biyahe. Cancelled.
Ngano man?
Naay bagyo. Naguba ang barko.
Kanus aman mo biyahe balik?
Wala pa hibaw Maghulat lang ta sa announcement sa Coast Guard.
Naay contact number nga amo ang matawagan?
Yes, ma'am.
Unsay number? Basic conversation at the seaport. So firstly, we have maayong buntag. Asa mo palit og ticket, sir or ma'am? So it's very important that you use sir or ma'am. If you're not used to, try to use it as much as possible so that it will be more natural to you if you're not used to using sir or ma'am. Okay, and if you want to use the local way of addressing strangers, I have also a video on that. It's in my playlist. Just visit my playlist. There's a lot of lessons there. So look for how to address common people here in the Philippines. Alright, so maayong buntag, asa mo palit og ticket, sir? Good morning, where to buy the ticket, sir or ma'am? And then the staff would ask, asa man padong or asa man padulong. Asa man padong? Where, going where or going to? Next, padong Camotes Island. Okay, so I've been to Camotes Islands. Camotes Island, the place is very beautiful, very quiet, very serene. So not much tourists actually. So if you want those type of vibe that you just want to be alone with nature and to be with very kind-hearted people, Camotes Island is also a very nice place to go. Okay, now let's go back to our lesson. So Padong Camotes, like going to Camotes Island. Padong or Padulong is going to. Okay? And then the staff would say, adto dito. Adto dito. Adto means go, and then dito is there, over there. Not so near from the speaker. Okay, it's like there, over there. Adto dito. Sa another answer, possible answer is dirira or diri. That means here or just here. And then, another answer is, dinha. Dinha, it's closer to the speaker. It's like there. Okay? Next, we have, Ma'am, maayong buntag. Padung Camotes Island. Tagpila ang ticket. So, you immediately say the destination and you want to know the price of the ticket. Maayong buntag, it's good morning. And Padung Camotes Island, going to Camotes Island, how much is the ticket? Tagpila is how much. Ang ticket is, the ang here is like the, okay? How much is the ticket? Tagpila ang ticket. Maayong buntag sab, okay? Maayong buntag sab. So it's like, good morning to you too. Tag, the tag here is like, the price tag, okay? Tag 500, okay? Tag